needs charged, but otherwise it's okay. I got to take these off and take the stickers off of this plate. It does require me to remove those bolts. Could actually razor knife that. I might have to do that because I think that's got a nut behind it. And I don't really like doing this because I don't have the most steady hands. As long as I don't go past it, I'm okay. Just cut the sticker. It's actually really easy to tear this sticker, so you know, coloring in the lines was never my strong suit. I always needed a tool. It's like trying to draw a circle. Can't do it. Never could. All right, I'm gonna get rid of all this crap here. Look, I think I got most of it. I missed right there, but see, no problem. Yeah, that's pretty good. Screws out to do, because I cannot do that one by hand. Fortunately, it's not terribly difficult to get these. If I just get them loose, usually it works. Well, I think I'll just go ahead and make it easy and just take this one off. It's not that hard to get to, the front ones. I get to them right under here. Yeah, wet, hell. I'm really kind of amazed these stickers stay on at all. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Do it all in one shot, right? The sticker's going back on. He's like, I'm not leaving. I don't want to leave. Please don't make me leave. I just don't think U.S. Army stickers all that popular. Probably actually just at this point, I think. I don't know, these are pretty tough. I think you could just rip, there it goes. With the sticker out of the way, maybe I can do this a little easier. If I can get that nut to stay in there. Oh, can it stay? Is it gonna stay? I don't know. It did, it stayed. Holy cow. That's probably all my luck today. All right, get this out of here. One more sticker. This side luckily has nothing in the way. Of course, it doesn't want to let go though. Unfortunately, it looks like it took some of the paint, or is that just glue? Did it take paint with this? It did. The sticker actually peeled paint. What I think we need to do is put a non-skid on here anyway. So anyway, now that we got the battery strapped in, we'll get these back in their spot, plop everything back together. Bolts to start. Come on, where's the hole? What? There it is. You should never do this, but I always do it. Should always hand start bolts. Don't be like me. I've only been doing this for 30 years. Or maybe longer, I don't know. There it is. Pretty good. plug in the horn so you can scare everybody. You can tell all those bicyclists to get out of your way right before you're going to run them over. Get out of the way. Lights work. All right, this one's ready.